Assalamu alaikum. Before we begin, I would like to go over the articulation points of letters, meaning each letter is pronounced from one of these 5 articulation points: nose, empty space, throat, tongue, and lips. We have some letters that are coming from here, that we what we call nasal. Some are coming from the empty space. It's the tongue, between the tongue and the roof of the mouth. Throat, and throat by itself has upper, middle, and the deepest part. 3 parts. Tongue and lips. So the first harf means letter, is al-hamza. 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 And the sound is a. 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 So you keep your mouth slightly open and it's coming from the deepest part of the throat. A. 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 The second harf is ba. Ba is coming from the lips. So you bring the upper lip and the bottom lip together and you say ba. 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 Ta. Ta. You bring the tip of your tongue to the front, the upper front teeth. So basically the tip of your tongue is touching the upper front teeth. Ta. Ta. Ta is very soft. Don't put a lot of pressure on your tongue or on your mouth. Ta. 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 The next one is tha. This one is a little bit tricky, but if you know where this sound is coming, it will become easy. So it's the tip of the tongue is between front, upper and lower front teeth. So here is the bottom teeth and here is the top teeth. So your tip of the tongue is in between. And you say tha, 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 with release of a soft burst of air as you pronounce tha. Jim, the middle of the tongue is getting closer to the roof of the mouth, but there is no touching. So the middle of the tongue is getting closer to the roof of the mouth. Jim, Jim, Jim. Ha. Ha is coming from the middle of the throat. Remember when I said there is upper, middle, and the deepest part? So this one is coming from the middle part. Ha. With your mouth slightly open. Ha. 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 The next one is kha. Kha is coming from the top part of the throat, closer to uvula. Kha. Kha, with your mouth slightly open. Kha. 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 Dal is coming from the same position as ta. That's why I put ta on top. So the pronunciation of dal and ta are both coming from the same position of the tongue, which is the tip of the tongue is touching the upper front teeth. And you say dal, 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 dal. The next one, dhal. Dhal, same pronunciation. It's not the same pronunciation, but same place, same position where of the tongue and teeth. So again, dhal, the front, the tip of the tongue is in between the upper and lower front teeth. Dhal, dhal, Dhal. So let's do a review. So it's al-hamza, 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 and the sound is a, a, a. The sound is coming from the bottom of your throat with your mouth slightly open. A. The second one is ba, ba, ba. Remember, using your lips, the upper and lower lip together. Ba, ba, ba. The third one, ta, ta, ta. So the tip of the tongue is touching the upper front teeth. Ta, ta, ta. The fourth one is tha, tha, tha. So the tip of your tongue is in between the upper and lower front teeth. The tip of the tongue is between your teeth. Tha, tha, tha. Jim, jim, jim. The tongue, the middle of the tongue is getting closer to the roof of your tongue. Jim, jim, jim. Ha, ha, ha. Ha is coming from the middle of the throat. Ha, ha. With your mouth slightly open. Ha. Kha, kha, kha is coming from the upper part of the throat, closer to your uvula, with your mouth slightly open. Kha, kha, kha. Dal, same position as ta. Dal, dal, dal. So the tip of the tongue is touching the upper front teeth. Dal, dal, dal. The last one is dhal, dhal, dhal. Remember, the tip of the tongue is in between your front teeth. Dhal, dhal, dhal. I will see you guys in the next video.